Hi everyone, I'm so ecstatic to have you here. I hope you're all having an amazing day or night. Welcome or welcome back. Today's video is a dining room upgrade. We have purchased our dining chairs for a year now with the thought of spray painting the legs white to give it that more of a touch of glam feel. I'm all about saving money and was so happy that my husband was able to achieve the look that I wanted with these chairs by simply painting it ourselves. And I couldn't even be more happier as it now looks like it was bought like that. Of course, with the new update on the chairs, I wanted to also deep clean and upgrade the whole dining room with the new decorations and a Glam Tablescape. A quick part of this video is in collaboration with Shein. I have picked some bathroom essentials and wanted to show you some of my haul. We love shopping on their website as not only are their products so affordable, but there are so many nice choices of products to choose from. Shein provides so many varieties of products to choose from their home categories like their stainless steel towel racks, waterproof shower phone case, their modern toilet paper holder, the bar of soap holder that I needed, and lastly their stone spa bathroom mats that they have sent me. I will provide Shein's info and links on the description box below for you in case if you are interested. Now let's get back into the Glam Dining Room update. If you want to see how I've cleaned and decorated this dining room and dining table for some extreme Glam Tablescape ideas, please continue watching this video till the end. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoy this video and acquire some glam inspiration dining room ideas. Thank you all so much for watching. I truly hope you enjoy this new dining room update and was able to get tons of ideas and how to also put a touch of glam in your dining space with what we shared. Don't forget to show some love by giving this video a huge thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed yet, I hope today you consider doing so. My passion is to inspire and help motivate you with the contents I share, from my room makeovers, DIYs, decorate with me, how-tos, hauls, clean with me, and so much more. If that is your cup of tea, I would love to have you be part of the Glam family. And for my returning Glam family, I sincerely appreciate you and continue to thank God for you for your continued love and support. I hope to see you in the next video. Till then, have a wonderful week to come. God bless you all abundantly. Sending you all air hugs and blowing kisses your way. Bye!